Alright, so guys, a little bird told me that JDM cars are gathering this morning at this location. Yeah, but there is a distinct lack of centralization going on. I don't know where the peoples are seating. Oh, I didn't attend lah. I didn't bring any car here also. I didn't join any group. But yeah, there was no centralization going on. So all the cars are parked there in front of the workshop. I don't know even if they are here for the event or they are they are here for the workshop. Oh, check out the Isuzu, man. VE Cross. That's rare. Very, very rare. MR2s, Imprezas, S2K. I wonder is this Eugene's car? Anyway, yep, you'll see some more here. GTRs. Let's take a walk, man. Let's take a walk. As you can see, the place is filled with workshop. So people are literally painting their car here. So you don't really know if they are actually here for the event or they are here because their car needs work. Interesting stuff, man. This is Sunway. This is where all the car modifying, repair, work, parts, suppliers, performance parts, tire shops, all of them are here. Wow, 86 galore, man. 86 and BRZs, GTR in the middle. 86, 86, 86, 86, 86, 86. 86, man. All of them. Oh, so many. So many. Cute lah, cute, cute. Very cute. It's like a little puppy trying to be angry. Wow, that number plate. What's going on? Check it out. Oh, that car doesn't even bother with the Malaysian plate, man. Should I censor this out or else get him into trouble? Anyway, yeah, there you go. I see more there. So I think they're all in a cafe there. But I don't see groups of people. Maybe they're inside. I didn't go in. Yeah, so I was saying there's a distinct lack of centralization. It's very ad hoc. Well, I like it. You know, it's very relaxed and whatnot. But you know, if you're in a more centralized place, this is S15 Sylvia. Brings back a lot of memory, man. My first car. Would I own one again? I don't think so lah, to be honest. I don't miss it as much as other cars that I've owned. I don't know why, man. Anyway, so let's take a walk down this alley and see, do we have anything interesting here? Oh, that's at the court. Euro R. Ah, they're all here. Not one, many. The groups are all here. Nice stuff, man. Nice stuff. Nice paint. Not seen this color before. Very flat, but nice. White. That's the usual color. Blue. White. Championship white. Red. Red is not my favorite lah, to be honest. Oh man, you know, I'm such a Nissan fan that when I see a fair lady, I cannot help but come check it out, man. Come check it out. I'm pretty sure this car is not here for the gathering, but man, look at the condition of this car. Needs help, bro, needs help. Oh man, but I love it. I love it so much. Check this out. Oh man. See how bad is the rust? It's not too bad, to be honest. Oh, the lights are bright and shiny. It's nice. Nice, man. Come on, do it up, man. Beautiful car. See the interior, man. All over the place. Is it too much trouble to put back? Well, this car can easily worth what, 50 to 60,000 ringgit done up in Malaysia. I mean, you can ask higher, but it's much harder to transact, to be honest. 50 over is a good price. 60 over, may start getting a bit expensive, and on top of that, it's automatic. That is maybe the reason why. Very high-tech car for its days, man. Very, very high-tech car for its days. But yeah. Just switch to wide angle so that you can see more. Let's go back, man, and continue our JDM gathering. Interesting day, but the weather doesn't look cooperative. Oh man, that's a wagon. Oh, that's a rare one. That's a wagon right there. Yeah, man. I mean, it's not the prettiest wagon I've seen. It's just rare. Yeah. Right. Oh, the Honda boys are here. Frankly speaking, I've never owned a Honda in my life. Never. Never owned a Honda before. See, what's that? Oh, Euro cars are parked here. Ah, there you go. The Silvia that was parked there just now is here now. The Impreza MX-5 Z4. Oh, there's a stray cat right there. R34. What else? 180 SX. More 180 SX. A31s. Zafiros. Wow. Oh, that is worth a look lah. 86. 32. Nice clean body, man. I love it like that. Not too much body kits and whatnot. Wow, check that out. Gorgeous. Very clean condition, two-tone. Oh, SA, man. Nice stuff. Clean body. Hope they don't mind me taking videos. Morning, guys. Vlogging. Thanks, man. Thanks. SA, man. Love it. 32. MX-5 boys are here. I think I saw that car just now from the other side. Check this out, man. Check this out. Oh, it's time for me to get back into the scene, bro. Oh, those street lights. Interesting. Have you seen them? Yeah. How many times do you see it? How many times do you see a V-Cross in this country? Morning, morning. Alright, but the weather doesn't look very cooperative, so I think for now, wait till it pours, man. Yep. Nice, boys. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, EF. Alright, so that was the tour of this morning's JDM. Well, do you love your job? Well, I love my job. Why do I love my job? Because out of the few things I do, many of them have something to do with cars. And I've just spent an entire morning tearing down the streets of KL in this TD2000. Let's check it out, man. Yeah, TD2000, man. Replica of the MG-TD. Replica of the MG-TD, man. But underneath the shell is actually a very, very modern engine. Well, not modern, but give or take about 20-year-old. So there is something distinctly modern about the way it drives. The gear ratio, the engine response, the torque in the engine. It's all very, very modern. Earlier models had the Nissan CA engine, then subsequently they had the Toyota. So yeah, instrument cluster looks period. But to be honest, it drives much more modern than you would imagine. Very tight spaces. And the entry, ingress and egress is extremely difficult. Yeah, as you can see, the actual ingress, you have to fit your fat ass, or my fat ass, through this and this. Oh, it's an art, man, to get in and out of this car. So yeah. Yep, interesting stuff, man. You should experience this at least once in your life.